Hey everyone, Brett from M3 Labs here, and today in the State of the Space, we're going to talk about the newest additions to M3 Labs and some exciting news when M3 Labs is going to open. So this week we went ahead and we ordered the 3D printer and the laser cutter, and we started getting in and moving in some of the product and the equipment, and we're starting to get ready to design and build the desk for inside the makerspace. So it's pretty exciting. We're going to be opening here pretty soon, and it's an exciting. It's exciting. I'm just overwhelmed for it. So what we have done is we went through this whole year to raise exposure about the makerspace, get some early adopters in that want to be a part of this, and we put together a pretty awesome early adopter crew that's really come through and helped us and shown us that there is a desire to have this in Jeff City. And we've made a lot of progress this year, and we almost hit our 25 member goal for the early adopter campaign, and we went ahead and pulled the trigger to open up so those people who did sign up can get access to what tools we do have. Now, we are starting just a little bit smaller than what we planned to do. When we started going out and getting the equipment costs for the metalworking and some of the equipment costs for the woodworking, and started getting the insurance quotes back to open it as a full makerspace with all the bells and whistles, the quotes came in a little bit higher than what we could afford and budget in. And that's what we needed the 25 members for, to help us kind of feel a little bit more secure getting that information in there, or getting that finances put together for that. But we didn't quite reach that, but that's all right, because what we do open with is we're going to have the laser cutter, we're going to have some 3D printers, a whole computer lab, the electronics lab. We're going to have the ability to do all your types of arts environment as well, and it's just going to be a really good spot to come in, hang out, and just learn some STEM education. So kind of your science, technology, engineering, and math is what we really want to promote here, but have fun doing it as well. We're going to be having some events coming up here in December as well from the community night, so people can come in who aren't members and see the space and hang out with those members as well. But we're also going to have early access to the members. So we're going to extend an offer out here in the next few, probably next week is when we'll send the invite for the end of the month, when we can bring members in and have them kind of hang out, look around, and use the place. They're the ones that helped make this become possible. So we wanted to really just extend that offer to them and have them come in early. So that's kind of what the agenda is for this month. So I invite you to check it out at MedmoMakerLabs.com and tell us what you think. I hope you enjoy what we're doing here. I hope you enjoyed the events we've put on so far this year. And I look forward to really working with everyone out there who is a maker, who is an inventor, a creator. I hope you guys really come in and use this place that we're making for you, because we want to grow into a bigger community. We want to grow and have the dedicated wood shop and the dedicated metal shop, and those are going to be our next steps as we grow. Actively, we have secured this location, but I'm still actively looking on how we can grow into those facilities, because we've had members express that that's what they want. And I hope those members still stick in there for us, since we had to downsize and cut that out for insurance and equipment cost reasons. I hope you still stick in there. But keep in mind, we're going to get to that point. And we wanted to give you something this year, because it's been a year here in November since we've announced that we're doing this. And we wanted to make sure that we got it open for you. We wanted to make sure you had something to come in and build that community with. So I am very proud of what we have accomplished with the members who have believed in us and come to the events and came to our hack nights and hung out with us. So just thank you to those who have really helped us along the way. It's been a long journey, and it's been a little bit tough. We had some difficulties, but we've overcome them, and with the help of our membership and the help of our members, just giving us faith that they like what we're doing. So I hope those who are seeing this who aren't members, go out there and sign up and come and get some of the benefits of it. We will be doing the weekly hack nights for members starting in December. So every week there's going to be a night where you can come in and just bring your project and just have a collaboration and community of people that are just talking about tech, talking about arts, talking about a different project that you're working on. It doesn't have to be tech. I'm tech biased, I'm sorry. I do programming and development, so I'm a little tech biased, I apologize. But it's not just about that. It's about more than that. The laser cutter that we're going to have, it's going to be able to do a whole bunch of projects. You can do art engraving on different plaques. You can do cutting out for stencils. And I'm lacking in imagination here because once again I'm on the tech side, so I'm thinking about PCB boards and different types of robotics arms. But then the 3D printers we're going to have, you can develop and design different types of product as well. So I invite you guys to come out. We're going to have a community night in December. We're going to do that once a month where if you're not a member, you can come in and hang out and just get to familiarize yourself with what we're doing. We're going to create a couple groups as well now that we're starting to open. Would really like to create a robot group and a drone group. If anybody's interested in doing that, reach out to me. And I'm also looking at opening up a DEF CON group, which is going to be called DC 573. If you're familiar with the DEF CON culture, you'll understand what I'm meaning. It's basically it's a hacking group basically for educational and cybersecurity professionals and anyone who has a desire to learn that. It's a group of novice to experienced to come out and share knowledge and keep the information flowing freely so we can protect our devices and protect the internet and really bring that community together. So there's a lot of things I want to do. I want to hear your ideas as well. So I know you're waiting for me to pull this back and show you what's underneath here. So I'll do that now. And we are going to open on December 1st. That's when we plan on being open. Whether we finish the full build out or not, we're going to open then and we can work through all that. But we should. We're heading in there now. I believe the laser cutter is going to come in next week. 3D printer is going to be here tomorrow. And we just got to build out the benches and get everything wired and get the software installed on the PCs and get all that vetted. And we should be good to go. Also, we're going to have a cool projector right here that comes down. So if you have, presentations you're working on or want to do pitch practice for your new idea or new business, or, when we have our nostalgic game nights, that's a hint of what we're working on. We can bring that in and hang out and do those things. So I appreciate you guys hanging in there with us. I appreciate the 300, almost 400 people that follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And I really hope you guys enjoy what we're doing. And I invite you all to come in on our community night when we open up and just see what we're doing. And I hope that, I know this isn't for everyone, but I hope that a lot of you out there can see the value in this and sign up for a membership. Because your membership is what's going to help us evolve. And it's going to help us build the community. And it's going to help bring those education, brings those experiences to people that want to learn and grow. And it's just, we're putting a community together. And in order to get into more of the advanced stuff, more of the woodworking, metalworking, and your different manufacturing processes, we need your membership. So I hope you enjoy what we're doing, and I will see you on our community night. Thank you guys very much.